Hello everyone. In the previous video we have seen the command of echo and printf with the help of a certain example. Now in this video we are going to solve one programming challenges of HackerRank, and name of that programming challenge is to display only odd natural number from 1 to 99 with the help of a for loop. Okay, we will see that how we are going to do that in the shell script. Before we start solving the programming challenges of that, first of all we will know about one more command, and the name of that command is Expr. This command is used to evaluate a given expression and display its standard output. And if you wanted to know more about this command, what we will do, expr _ and help. From there you can read it out and you'll figure it out what is this command will do. You can see that here argument 1 and argument 2, it will calculate and display the output according to that. Now let's see some of the examples of expr command, that how it is going to work. First of all we will clear the screen, so we will use the command name expr, and let's say I'm going to add two different value I wanted to add. So what I will do, 10 plus 20, 30 is the answer. If I want to do subtract minus 10, or if I wanted to know it is 10 is greater or 20 is greater, so when it is returning 1, that means it's true that 10 is less than 20. When it will be returning 0, that means it is false, 30 is not less than 20. Now if I will move it to less than to greater than, now it will return to 1 again. Now greater than equal to, that can also I do, we will change here to 20. Again it is true, so 1, less than equal to. Okay, and now if we want the product, 20 into 20, 400, or if I want the quotient, forward slash 20 by 20, 1, or I want the modulus, 0. Now these are all we have seen about integer evaluation. Now what about the string evaluation? So for string evaluation, what I will do, first of all I am going to save my name to a variable, and after that what I will do, I am interested to know the length of this my name. So expr length $x6. Now what about index? If I wanted to know the index of D, okay, I got it. Now if I will keep the index as A, then it will show the first one or the last one. Okay, it is showing the first one. Now what about the substring? So what I will do here, I will keep and here I am going to keep as I, and the next one is Y. It should display, okay, my mistake, I think substring it won't work like that. I have to keep the digit name. So Aditya A1 D2 I3 3, and this one I will keep as 5 ITYA. okay, from 3 to it will go to 5th position, 3. Okay, let me understand how it is working. From 3rd position it started, and after that up to 5th it is going to iterate up to 5th. So if I wanted to iterate only 3 values, then I need to mention only 3 here, ITY. Now I got it. Okay, so first of all you will write the length of the value from there you wanted to start. For example, you wanted to start from the 2nd or 3rd, and after that how many you want to go. For example, if you wanted to go, then you will write 3 2. If you wanted to go to 3, up to 3, then you will write 3. Like that it will calculate. Good. Now what about if I wanted to compare between two different value? So what I will do, I will write here hello, and here I am going to write again hello, and here I am going to write hi. What will happen? 0 it is coming. Now here it is going to, again I am to write here, so 5 is matching, right? Now if I will remove hello to this one, so 0, so value is not matching. So if the value is comparing and when it will be true, then it is returning the length of the value, but if it is not true, then it is returning as 0, something like that. I can predict. I will try something else. What I will do, first of all I will clear the screen, and here I am going to write my name, and after that I am going to write my title here. It is coming as 0. What if I wanted to write like this? Again it is rating 5, 4, 3, 2, and I will create a shell script. So vim, and after that the name of the shell script I will give as whatever the name Linux has given, looping and skipping dot sh. Let's give the insert command now. So simply our question is using for loop display only odd natural number from 1 to 99, right? So let's write a for loop first. In Unix we don't have to initialize any value, correct? So I equal to 1, I less than equal to 100, and close the braces here. After that do. Now I want to only display numbers which are 1 to which are odd natural number. Now you can see that I am iterating the value between 1 to 100. Now I can't show 100 value because 100 is an even number, so it will only iterate from 1 to 99, because by default I will remove this one. How I am going to remove? So what I will do, I will write like this: if logic. After that I have explained to you the expr command, so I am going to use this expr command only. Escape quotes I am going to give expr $I modulus $2 not equal to 0. Now you can see this if logic what I have written here. According to this if logic, the every iteration, in every iteration it will divide with 20, and if the result is not 0 that means it's an odd number, because we know that even number of remainder will come as 0 and odd number remainder will not come as 0, right? So after that, so if that condition is true, then echo $I finished. So fi and end of the for loop. So done. Now let's save this command. Escape :wq. Okay, we have saved. Now let's try to execute. How to execute a shell script? It's easy. Okay, we just have to give dot and /, right? Okay, it is giving no such. Okay, I've forgot looping and skipping lot of permission denied. So I have to execute. Let's see what's the problem. Error day. Now if I can see that here execute permission is not there. Okay, so I need to make this command as executable. So what I will do, I will first of all I will clear the screen and I will give change mode plus execute permission. After that, name of the script. Okay, let's see execute permission was given or not. Now you can see that executable permission was given, X was implemented. Previously it was not there, correct? Now let's run the command. Okay, it is showing that line number 8, it is creating some problem. Okay, now let's go inside. So we need to figure it out. Where is line number 1? Colon set nu. Now it is showing that this then command is creating a problem. I think between F and this should be some escape, with the space will be there, right? So I will give some space. Now let's escape WQ exclamation mark. Again I have saved. Let's execute again this time. Line number 12, unexpected end of file. What is line number 12 is unexpected end of file. Set nu. Okay, in this one I think while I did by mistake I have written this one. WQ. Try again. Command not found. Command not found. Here it is. Okay, 01 line number 7, command not found. Okay, let's clear the screen. Line number 7, it's showing some problem. What is the problem? Line number 7. Here it is showing. Let's give this space. Yeah, maybe this is the problem. Alright, space is the issue. Now you can see that all the odd number between 1 to 99 was printed, not a single even number was printed. So the programming challenges of Hackerrank for loop and display only odd natural number from 1 to 9 was completely successful. Now this is the end of this video. You can try the same problem in Hackerrank also. It will become successful only. Now this is the end of the video. In the next video again we are going to solve another one of the programming challenges of Hackerrank. If you are new to this video, please like and subscribe my channel and stay tuned. Keep watching ADHYAN channel for the next upcoming video. Thank you.